Welcome back. We are doing the problems on circumference of a circle. Okay, in today's class the first problem is the ratio of diameters of two circles is 3:4. Find the ratio of their circumferences. So here the ratio of circumferences of two circles are given as 2:3. So what I will do, I will write it as let the diameters of two circles I'll assume as 3x and 4x. See, 3:4, it is a ratio, it is a parts are given. So I am assuming the ratio, the diameter of the first circle is 3x and the second one is 4x. Now we have to find out the ratio of their circumference. Now what is the ratio? Okay, what is the circumference of a circle when diameter is given? It is pi d. As we are representing it to the first circle, I will write it as pi d1 and the other one is pi d2. Pi d1 is to pi d2. So the circumference of a circle, if d is the diameter, is pi d. So pi d1 is to pi d2. Now here we can eliminate pi and pi. d1 is to d2. d1 is the diameter of the first circle, that is 3x. d2 is the diameter of the second circle, 4x. So we write it as 3x is to 4x. So x can be eliminated. So whatever the ratio we get, that is nothing but the circumferences, ratio of their circumferences. So what is the ratio of the circumferences? The ratio of the circumferences is nothing but 3:4. That's all. Next problem. A road roller makes 200 rotations in covering 2200 meters. Find the radius of the roller. Okay. So here, in order to find the radius of a roller, see, a road roller makes 200 rotations. See, 200 rotations to cover a distance of 2000 meters. Okay. So one second, what we do is, we write like this, rotations. And the distance, right? So a road roller makes 200 rotations to cover a distance of 2200 meters. 200 rotations in 2200 meters. So we have to find, first we'll find out for one rotation how many meters. See, 200 rotations to cover a distance of 2200 meters. So we'll find out for one rotation. For that, what you do is just cross multiply these two. 1 into 2200 by 200, 0, 0, 0, 0, we can cancel. So we are getting 22 by 2 is nothing but 11 meters. That means in one rotation, it covers a distance of 11 meters. So we write, in one rotation, distance covered is nothing but 11 meters, right? So for one rotation, in one rotation, the distance covered is 11 meters. See here, one rotation, the wheel completes the rotation. So one rotation means nothing but a circumference. That means here 2 pi r is nothing but 11. So already the wheel completes the rotation. In one rotation it covered 11 meters. So 2 pi r is equal to 11. Now we will find out the radius. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 11. So 11 ones are, 11 twos are. So we get 4r by 7 is equal to 1. Just cross multiply. R is equal to 7 by 4. So r is nothing but 1.75. If you divide this, you will get 1.75 meters. As the distance is given in meters, this is also in meters. Okay, this is completed. Next problem. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeters. How far does the tip of a minute hand move in 1 hour? So here the minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeters. See, suppose if this is a circular clock, Now this is a minute hand. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeters. That means it is radius. What is radius given? It is 15 centimeters. The radius is given as 15 centimeters. How far does the tip of a hand move in 1 hour? Remember, in 1 hour it completes the rotation. See, in 1 hour it completes the rotation. Again it will come back at 12. So in 1 hour it completes the rotation. So to find the distance moved by the minute hand in 1 hour, we need to find the circumference of a circle using the radius as 15 centimeters. Okay, so here we'll write how far does the tip of a minute hand move in 1 hour. That means the tip of minute hand move in 1 hour. Move in 1 hour is nothing but the circumference of a circle. But the circumference of a circle with radius 15 centimeters, right? So here, how far does the tip move in 1 hour? In 1 hour it completes the rotation, so we need to find the circumference. So this is nothing but circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 15. So here 44 into 15 by 7. Okay. So 44 into 15 by 7. So what is 44? 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60, and this is 660 by 7 centimeters. So we are getting 660 by 7, that comes around 94.28 centimeters. 0.28 centimeters. Okay, this is completed. Next problem. A wire is bent in the form of a circle with radius 25 centimeters. Some wire is taken, it is bent in the form of a circle with radius 25 centimeters. It is straightened and made into a square. What is the length of the side of a square? The same wire is bent in two forms. One is square, the other one is circle. So when the same wire are made in two forms, one is square and the other one is circle, their circumference will not change. That means the length of the wire will not change, only the shape will change. So here what we can write is only the shape will change but not the length. Length remains same. So here we say the perimeter of square is equal to the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle. Now what is perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square is nothing but 4 into side. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So we have to find out the side of a square. Okay, so 4 into s as it is 2 into 22 by 7 into the given radius of a circle is 25 centimeters. So I'll write 25. Okay, so now we can cancel this. 2 ones are 2 twos are, right? Again 2 ones are 2 11s are. Now the remaining is the side. So what is s? It is 11 into 25 by 7. So s is equal to 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22, 22 plus 5 is 27 by 7. So 275 divided by 7, it comes to 39.28 centimeters. So S is equal to 39.28 centimeters. Okay, so this is the length of the side of a square. So next problem. A path 2.5 meters wide is running around a square field. Path running around a square field whose side is 45 meters. FEILD field is whose side is 45 meters. Determine the area of path. Okay. Now here a path 2.5 meters wide running around a square field. Now this is a square field. Okay. This is a square field. We have a path 2.5 meters. A path 2.5 meters wide is running around a square field. So here so this is 2.5 meters. This width is 2.5 meters. So this is a path. This whole thing is a path. Okay, so path runs around a square field of side side 45 meters. That means, see, the side of a field is given as 45 meters. So 2.5 meters is the width. Path runs around a square field. Okay, so we have to find out the area of the path. So clearly we have two squares in this. One is the inner, the other one is the outer. So first we will find out inner area, then we will find out outer area. Area of path is nothing but inner area, outer area minus inner area. See, what is area of path? Area of path is nothing but outer area minus inner area. So this is a formula to find area of path. So first we see the given dimensions. The first one is 45 meters. So I will write inner side. Inner side. What is inner side given? It is 45 meters. Now we need to find inner area. So what is inner area? Inner side into inner side. Area of square is side into side. Now we have to do 45 into 45. So what is 45 into 45? 45 into 45 is nothing but 2025 meters square. Okay. So this is inner area. Right. Now next we will find out the outer area. So how to find outer area? First we will find out outer side, then we will go to area. Outer side is equal to, it is inner side plus 2 width, width. See, in outer side, see, when we are coming outside, this is inner, this is out. When we are coming out, the length or the side will increase. That is the reason we add. So inner side plus 2 times width, it increases on both sides. Here and here, in both the cases it increases at the bottom and the top. So that's why we use 2. So here, what is inner side? Inner side is nothing but 45 plus 2 into width is, what is width given here? Width is given as 2.5 meters. So write 2.5. So what we get is 45 plus 5. 2.5 into 5 is 5.05. So what we get here, 45 plus 5 is 50 meters. Now we have outer side. After that I will find outer area. Outer area is equal to, again just do side into side, outer side into outer side. What is outer side? It is 50. 50 into 50. 50 into 50. So this is 2500 meter square. This is outer area. After outer area, we will find out the area of path. What is area of path? Area of path is outer area minus inner area. So what is outer area? It is 2500. And what is inner area? It is 2025. So we need to subtract these two to get the area of path. So that is 2500 minus 2025. And here we get 9 to 7, 4, 75. So we are getting area of path as 475 meters square. Next problem. See, the central hall of a school is 18 meters long and 12.5 meters wide. So we'll draw that. A, B, C, D is a hall. See, A, B, C, D is a hall. The dimensions of the hall is 18 meters and 12.5 meters. Okay, then a carpet is laid on the floor, leaving a strip 50 centimeters wide near the walls. Okay, so a carpet is laid. Okay. So EFGH is a carpet which is laid in the central hall, leaving a strip of 50 centimeters. So this width is 50 centimeters. This gap is 50 centimeters throughout the hall. So here clearly the outer length and outer breadth is given. So I'll find out the area of hall. So that means outer length. Outer length is 18 meters. Then outer breadth is 12.5 meters. So we have to find out the outer area. Outer area is outer length into outer breadth, that is 18 into 12.5. So how to calculate this 18 into 12.5? We have to multiply. 18 5s are 90, 9 carry. 18 2s are 36. 36 plus 9 is 45, 4 carry, and 22. So 18 into 12.5 is 225.0, that is nothing but 225 meters square. Okay, so this is the area of the hall we got. Now what I will do is I will find out the area of carpet. In order to find the area of carpet, I need to find out the length of the carpet and the breadth of the carpet. So it is inner length. What is inner length? Inner length is nothing but the outer length minus 2 width. Why we are doing minus? The reason is, see, outer length is bigger when we compare to this inner. AB is greater than EF. So when we are going to find EF, it is a smaller when we compare to AB. So we need to subtract. And why we are getting 2 here? Because the 2, we have 2 opposite sides on AB and on also DC. So that is the reason we multiply with 2. So inner length is outer length minus 2 width. So what is outer length? Outer length is nothing but 18 minus 2 into, see here the width is given as 50 centimeters, whereas all the dimensions are given in meters. So to convert this into meters, I will divide by 100. So what we get is 18 minus 1. See, 250 is 100. 100 by 100 is 1. So 18 minus 1 is 17 meters. So this is the outer length. Now we will find out the outer breadth. Outer breadth. So what is outer breadth? It is inner breadth. Sorry, I have to find out inner breadth. Inner breadth. See, inner breadth is equal to the outer breadth minus 2 times width. Outer breadth minus 2 times width. So what is outer breadth? Outer breadth is 12.5 meters minus 2 into, it is 50 by 100. So this is nothing but 12.5 minus 1. What is 12.5 minus 1? It is 11.5 meters. This is outer breadth. Now I will find out, sorry, this is inner breadth we got. Now we'll find out the inner area. It is inner length into inner breadth. So what is inner length? It is 17 meters into 11.5 meters. So we need to multiply 17 into 11.5. So what we get is 17 5s are 85. So we get 195.5. 195.5 meter square. This inner area is EFGH, is nothing but the area of carpet. So therefore we get the area of carpet as 195.5 meter square. See, we completed area of carpet, and then also we have to find out uncovered portion. See, where is uncovered portion here? Other than A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H are uncovered portions. So this is uncovered portion. This uncovered portion is nothing but the area of path. So now we'll find out the area of path. Area of uncovered or area of path. This is equal to outer area minus inner area. So what is outer area? We have 225 minus inner area, that is area of carpet, 195.5. These two we need to subtract. 225 minus 195.5, that is what we'll get is 29.5. It is 29.5 meter square. This is the uncovered area and this is the area of carpet. Okay, this is completed.